In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Zoho Invoice. Whether you're looking to update the base currency for your entire organization or simply manage multiple currencies for diverse client needs, I'll guide you through the necessary steps with ease and clarity. Let's begin by navigating to the main part of Zoho Invoice. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the side menu where you'll find various options. From here, you want to look for Settings. This is your starting point for customizing various aspects of your Zoho Invoice account, including currencies. Upon clicking Settings, a new menu will appear with several tabs. Look for and select Organization Profile. This section holds key details about your organization, including the name, business location, and importantly for our task today, the base currency currently set for your organization. Once you are in the Organization Profile section, focus your attention on the base currency field. Here, you will notice a hyperlink labeled Transactions. It's located right below the Base Currency tab. Clicking on this link is crucial as it allows you to proceed with changing the currency settings. After clicking, you'll see a prompt window pop up. It's titled Change Base Currency. This window is designed to give you the flexibility needed to select the currency that aligns best with your organization's needs. In this window, you'll find a drop-down menu filled with a comprehensive list of available currencies. Scroll through the list to find the currency you wish to set as your base currency. Selection is simple. Just click on the preferred currency and it will appear as your choice. Before moving on, take a moment to ensure accuracy. Changing your base currency is an important step, and it's crucial to choose the right one. When you're confident in your selection, look for the Save button within the prompt. Clicking Save will update your account to reflect the new base currency. This action ensures that all future financial transactions within Zoho Invoice reflect this change, providing seamless management and reporting in the currency that serves your business operations best. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully updated the base currency within Zoho Invoice, helping streamline your finance management. Whether it's supporting multiple client arrangements or enhancing your financial accuracy, adjusting this setting can make a significant difference. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Stay tuned for more insightful content that empowers your business processes.